welcome back to my channel. I have my sister here. We've been meaning to do this video. This is my sister. Her name is Snapback Mom. Well, that's not your name.
My name is Keisha, aka Snapback Mom. Head over to my channel, Snapback Mom, and follow my page.
Alright, so guys, if you don't know, my sister and I were 10 years apart, and I've been meaning to give her a good box.
So we really are gonna use the powder?
Good box. So we are doing the Smack or Fact challenge. Yay! So
listen, she just want to box me because
Long
me
time
hold
girl.
on her. And
Long time girl.
me used to have to box her up when she a picnic. So she
Lies.
just can't wait for box me.
Lies. You see, when they say patient man ride donkey,
Listen, anyhow she box me hard enough. Watch.
patient man ride donkey. Those are the powder for you.
Me have my wine.
So guys, the rules of the game is we actually have 7 questions. I don't know how many people usually do, but we have 7, and we are. You think we should do 10 seconds or 5 seconds to answer?
10 seconds.
Why? Come on, box your heart. 5 seconds, you know? All
It don't matter to me.
Fine, we do 10 seconds. So you have 10 seconds to answer the question. If you do not answer, you only have 1 try to answer. There's no guessing after. It's 1 answer. Come and know your teeth. So let's jump right into it.
Alright, go on first since you're so hot for box.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
For your first question,
I'm gonna
bring
use
it.
my sister's phone because I took a picture of my questions because
Actually, I'll hide the question them, you know.
of course, coming up your teeth.
Me don't need to hide my question them.
The first question is, who taught me to hand wash clothes? 10,
Auntie Jasmine.
9, no girl, come, hold your jaw.
Hold on.
Come girl, the wine can't help you.
Anyhow she box me, hold on there. People, anyhow she box me, they know. Alright, go on.
And the answer is mama.
Miss Girly?
Yes,
Oh,
Miss
okay.
Girly taught me to hand wash
Did you
clothes.
Auntie Jasmine?
No,
that was
mama.
close.
Mama. Which jar?
It don't matter.
Which jar? Your good jar.
Me all.
Alright. You see, because you have picnic, I have migraine problem, me not box it too hard. So just leave the jar corner, girl.
She boxed me hard, you know. Alright.
Woo.
Alright.
Have look a resume.
Alright. Alright.
The one that
Hey,
it feel like it did hard.
yes, it did that. What you mean, but if alright.
My aunt Evie, sorry. My aunt, it's not me, no. Remember, say my aunt Evie, no, me have a wait. Me have a wait.
Yes.
Alright. That was a nice box.
My first question is, who teach me how to drive?
Drive.
Yes. Dun 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 dun.
Your ex-boyfriend. Drummond.
Nope.
And I did daddy?
Nope. Nope.
Who teach you for driving?
Coogan.
He did not just say that. He did not just say. He did on the tip of my tongue. Cause you know what? But I always remember you say, him teacher say.
Shall buy time.
Wait, no, him teacher say, when the people that pass up on the same side, the people that pass up on the same side.
More powder. Rub it in. She box me hard. You ready? Which side you want?
Take that side, girl.
That the side? Okay. Hold on. You ready?
Alright.
I have all the
Zungo, 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 zungo.
No. Listen.
The one that
I know me is still a ring. the way
No,
she
girl, you
box
never
me
did have to
hard.
deal with me like that. The one that me gonna tell mommy point though.
A long time she a wait.
Oh, the one that sting. The one that have a kick to it. What was the name of my clothing line growing up? Yeah, I have to remember the one, yeah, because it did all of my clothes there. Jeans pants, the pant t-shirt, it was on everything. Everything. 8, come gear enough time. 5, 4,
Hold on, may I go through options.
3,
Designed by Sushi.
2,
Sushi.
1.
Designed by Sushi.
No girl.
Where?
Cute style 101.
Girl, please. That
Cute
was that.
style, yeah.
Me never hear that one before.
Remember, Sammy?
Elisha tell me never
Cute.
hear that before.
You want me to ask mommy?
Mommy not gonna pick up. And mommy not gonna have a clue what she talk about. She just want
Cute
box me
style
again.
101. Remember when we used to draw the Jamaican flag panny and then I used to write
You
out
never
cute
said
style?
nothing about no cute style by nobody.
Yes, alright, come mommy
She
now answer,
lie.
come.
Don't box me hard.
No, me not
Because
did.
any of you box me
No,
hard, me
because-
go box you harder.
First of all, the first box,
It was hard because
Honestly,
I know my ears still are
listen,
red.
I'm gonna tell you the truth, right? You see when my hand did leave me, they find the side, me name no said did I go land so hot? Come.
Don't. Okay.
The
that
one
not
then
too
a
bad.
bad.
Share me all and yam powder. Yeah. All right. So
Not
this
too
is
hard.
this have two answer.
Well, you think
Yes.
it's a multiple question?
What were the two events when we did specialize in a high school?
What?
The two events them when we specialize in a high school track and field.
Event?
Yes.
Me did that?
The two race them
100 meter? Long jump?
them are field event.
Long jump.
What else?
Meter. Hurdle.
Long jump or meter. Oh Jesus. No, it was long jump and triple jump. Me said
Triple
two
jump?
field event.
Triple when you do triple jump.
What do you mean when we do triple jump? Me didn't go in the track business. It was okay. Keep it real. Long jump and triple jump.
Come girl, come me deserve the box. Come
Them
me
are me
know the
too,
answer. Don't lick me up. But okay.
See? Me know about sorry.
What year did I become a pescatarian?
Me I go say the year you
Da da
surgery.
dee, da da dee. Who?
The year when you have your first surgery?
No girl.
Or before that?
Long before that.
Um,
Me go give you a chance. Come.
2000, what we now?
2020.
Me I go say 2014.
No, you did close, but it was 2013. Hold your jaw.
2014.
2013.
Don't give me this the same one. I mean, no, you mess up the good side.
But you can't tell me which side to
This
box
side,
up on.
yeah.
Mommy don't put the powder in the
This
hand
your
here.
side,
But
yeah.
how me I go box you? You deserve the box there.
Peace.
Cause you feel know what year me stop young fish. I mean, stop young
We did close 2014. That close, a sister year then.
Let's go.
What is my favorite candy bar?
Candy bar. Oh, almond joy.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, girl. I escaped the box. Alright. What year did I launch a school still a win?
So, we in a 2020. You had your first event in a 2018
Oh yes, so you know that.
because I was an integral part of that. By the way, great event. Super proud of her when she launched it. It was like our baby. And even when she don't feel like she didn't get the support, she still stick through and she did an awesome, amazing job. Still, make sure so you check our page out and watch out for when the event will come up and all of this stuff. I don't know about this year because of quarantine. I don't know how that's going to work out still. But giving back to the community, that is a thing we're passionate about. So
Thank
support.
you. What are you plug me? Me like
Whatever.
it. Me like it. That's why I'm
Whatever.
a sister. Alright.
Whatever.
Okay, come your question. Me know you
Alright.
make them up off right top of your
Yes,
head.
because me not even have a next question. Anyways, so my next question is this. What was my
Say she can't even think about the question. For sure, what I like.
hold on there. What the 2 degree them when I graduate with from college?
Alright, you did broadcasting and journalism.
Who?
Yeah, psychology and broadcasting.
Psychology and communication.
Communication,
That's
alright.
close.
Alright, thanks.
Close.
Let's
Close.
skip the box there. What's my favorite feature about myself? You can't get this
Well, me
wrong.
know say you like your stomach, but
That's not my favorite feature.
me know you know like I know your butt because you don't like I draw attention to your butt. Me know you like your smile. Me know you like your smile, and I know you like them.
Definitely not.
Me know you like your stomach. Me know you like your
I want to know.
smile.
I want to know people
Me
should
know,
take
hold on, me do process of elimination.
10 seconds.
You know,
is a
so
long
sometimes when
time.
you get tests, you get multiple choice.
This is
Me
fill in the
work
blank.
through the multiple choice.
This is
them.
fill in the blank. You have 10 seconds past
You
that
smile.
time. All right. God, I really did one box right now.
All right. What year me launch Snapback Man?
What year?
Yes.
I don't remember that.
What do you mean you don't remember that?
Girl, come, holy powder. Michaela, 20, Michaela, 6 months. Them time, there's a 2015 you launch it.
Nope. 2017.
2017? What do you think? Didn't you say you started that, mom, when Michaela was 6 months? But you did start
I
records?
didn't start. I started my Instagram page, but in terms of making it into an official business, it was 2017, 2018.
But that's a 2 answer, so you have to pick one. Michaela
Well,
get a
even
box
if
for
you
that.
didn't come up with 17 or 18, you didn't come up with neither one. I'm confused by
Thanks.
this.
Come. Alright, that's not bad. Alright, people, we're boiling down to gravies. Alright, what year did I do my big chop? Da-da dee.
Graduate
Da-da
20. Michaela was a couple
me
of
I talk about
months.
big chop with meaning natural, go natural, you know. The first year me go natural. Me not talk about cut off my ear.
Cut off mean chop. Chop mean cut off. So what you talking about?
Meaning-
Which year we went natural?
Yeah, so remember I know me did go natural by accident. It was an accident when I went natural.
So was it 2013
Yes.
when I did the day I go and eat the when you become pescatarian and you go
Me
natural?
can't answer that.
Oh jeez.
All me can say is whatever you do in life, always go with your gut.
Me also 2013.
You see me help you.
No, that was say regardless. 2013. It just natural if you go natural at the year when you go pescatarian. So that would be natural if you go natural that day year, right? So then the next question for me is, how many years did I go for college?
For college, alright, me maths you up real quick. I feel like, I don't think you do the 4, I feel like you needed a few extra year. So I'm gonna go maybe 4.5 to 5.
Choose one.
This one don't have a part A and a B to
No,
it.
one answer.
See, then tell you say in life, my aunt is telling me 4.5.
Yes, 4.5.
Hey, girl, you did really want the box there. Me did have the question here, but me feel like me I gotta change you.
See, she actual curveball.
See,
you know.
I was gonna ask you what's my favorite scripture, but me know that she not gonna know it, so that wouldn't be fair, right? So I'm gonna change it. The last question is going to be, if I could travel anywhere right now. No, that's too easy. Can't do that. I don't have a last question.
You want me to ask you my last question?
Yeah,
to you?
first.
What is my absolute favorite / dream vacation destination?
Fiji?
Yes. That was easy.
What did I want to be when I was growing up?
Which phase in your life?
In the latter part.
Me know you do want to do something with music, like a music producer.
Fine. Okay, you get it.
Okay.
Alright, well guys, thank you so much for watching. We appreciate the fact that you stood with us. Stood? No.
That you stayed tuned.
Stayed tuned.
Or stay tuned. It don't matter. We appreciate it, guys. We had so much fun with this, and we hope you guys
I mean, I
enjoy.
learned that you did triple jump. I didn't, honestly, that one, Me no know that was
She must have did a sleep holiday years ago to get a triple jump because I was doing it for a while.
But yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also you can go and visit my sister's page, Snapback Mom. We're working on her YouTube page. She does pre and postnatal fitness. So 5 minutes, is 5 minutes? No.
Just 5 moves per workout. You can do as much or as little as you like, just to kind of get your heart rate going. And I know one of the key things why people don't exercise is lack of time or just not knowing what to do. And so hop over to my page. I have all kinds of tips and quick and easy workouts. Definitely.
And if you hear noise, guys, those are her minions.
My twins.
But thank you so much for watching.
Bye.